Hi Flower Gang, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much. I'm new here, and so please help and subscribe to my channel. You're gonna be learning a lot, and you have to hit the notification button. So most times we're gonna be showing something in here in my house, or other times it's gonna be on installation side, but most times it's gonna be installation places. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you a lot of DIYs, balloon artistry, floral installations, paper flower craft. Yeah, that's three major of my faculties and main things I'm known for, but I'm very crafty. But on today's own, I'm going to be showing you green floral installation, green foliage, and you know that's like a major trend now. Every salon wants to own it, every boutique, lounges, everywhere. It's everywhere in town now, and there's some few tricks to it that I want to show you. But don't go away, before I come, I'm going to show you, and you're going to follow me to installation process. So let's see step by step on how to go about it. Before I come back, please subscribe to the station, and don't forget to hit the notification button. So these are the green foliage backdrops, these in salons, in lounge, everywhere. Look at how lush they are. They give the space a new feel, a green feel, and it's absolutely beautiful. This amazing photo area that all space deserves. This is space I'm working on today, and this space, this entire wall where the marbles are, I put in a green foliage over it. So this is what it is. And up here on these boxes, they're supposed to drop flowers to drop green, so it gives a foresty kind of feel. So this is how the space is right here, right now, before I come inside of it. So the materials I'm using are a lot of green foliages, a lot of green mats. Like I said, I'm using a lot of these green mats for it. So for the first layer of it, I'm doing this. And the style I'm using here is more like a double decking, so it gives us a lot of fluffy. I don't know, it gives it depth, it gives it volume, it gives it some people just put it straight to the wall and use whatever they're going to use. Yes, I'm using adhesive for it to stay longer. I'm using this. Since the wall is not like wood based, or so it's marble, so I can use nail on it. I can use the staple gun on it. So I'm going straight to adhesive. Like I said, this will hold a lot longer. All right, let's start the process. You see how it came to go. So I have come here previously to take the measurement, and the measurement is 6 feet by 5 feet. So I already know the measurement. I already calculated the number of mats I'm going to use. So like I said, because of the style of installation I'm going to use, I'm not putting the mat straight, so I'm putting it over some foam. You can get overseas, you can get foam, but I use foam because it's larger and it covers a whole lot more space than overseas. So I've already done the calculation. I know the size of foam I'm going to use. The foam comes in 6 by 4 feet, and this is 5 by 6 feet. So I'm just going to maneuver a lot of it for it to work for me. Then I put the groomer. But let's just go through the process. Just for me. I'm new on this thing, so I just jittering and keep talking too much. Finish the first stage, the filling up of the foam to give it the depth I'm talking about, right? So the next stage is to apply the green mat over it. Let me show you. Okay, so the second stage or done. So you see how rich it is. It has depth. See the depth from the side. Ordinarily, if I just put the mat straight to the wall, it had just been flat, like on the same level with the wall. But this actually gives it depth, helps it build out, gives it volume. I'm not comfortable with this style of installation. Yeah, so most of the foams can still be showing, which is not going to be a problem because I'm still going to cover it. Okay, so this is the final stage of it. This normally bring fillers, so I just cut them and place them. So this one makes it different. If I was using a board, I don't think I would ever be able to achieve it like this. It won't give it this depth I'm looking for. Look at it. Okay. So I know you've seen the process and you've actually learned on it too. Please, if you've made it this far, to like won't be a problem. To hit the notification button should be easy, and to subscribe to this channel just so much encouragement to me, and it will boost my confidence a whole lot. And thank you very much for made it this far.